Today we have the Avantone CK-1 Small Capsule Pencil Microphone. We're going to unbox and review it, and I am using this microphone right now for the voiceover. Alright, it comes with a small shock mount and with 2 extra capsules. Alright, we have the pencil condenser design. It's a compact design, makes it stable for detailed recording applications such as instruments, vocals. You can switch the capsules for a better sound for yourselves. Includes switchable low frequency roll-off filter to attend unwanted low-end rumble. And we have a pad switch, features switchable pads, different sound sources, recording environments by input levels. And we have one main port, that's the XLR port. It offers multipolar patterns including Cardioid, Omni, and Figure 8, providing various recording situations. Equipped with FET Field Effect Transistor electrons, ensuring low noise and high performance audio capture. Alright, we just switched over to the Omni Capsule. Captures sound quality from all directions, making it ideal for capturing ambient sound, room tone, and group vocals. Alright, now we're trying the Figure 8 capsule. This capsule for sure is the most crisp one I ever heard. This Figure 8 polar pattern captures sound equal from front and rear while rejecting sound from the sides. It's useful for stereo recording techniques such as mid-side, bloom-lin pair setup, as well as for recording for interviews where isolation between 2 sources is needed.
That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.